Welcome back to Thirukkural a Day, chapter 5, Kural 3, Chiefest Charity. தென்புலத்தார் தெய்வம் விருந்தொக்கல் தானென்றாங்கு ஐம்புலத்தாறு ஓம்பல் தலை. The chief duty of the householder is to preserve the fivefold rule of conduct towards the mains, the gods, his guests, his relations, and himself. Questions for you. What traditions or values do you cherish in your family? How do you balance personal aspirations with family duties? Rajamani knew that mending his relationship with Vijaya would be the most challenging task of all. He started by trying to engage her in conversation, sharing stories from his time on the island, and expressing his remorse for his past actions. I know I hurt you, Vijaya, he said, his voice filled with sincerity. I was lost, but I'm back now. I want to make things right. I don't know if I can trust you, Rajamani, she said, her voice cold and distant. You left us once. What's to stop you from leaving again? Rajamani understood her skepticism and patiently reassured her of his commitment to the family. He focused on fulfilling his duties to the family, ensuring their needs were met and showing respect for their traditions. தென்புலத்தார் தெய்வம் விருந்தொக்கல் தானென்றாங்கும் ஐம்புலத்தாறு ஓம்பல் தலை. The chief duty of the householder is to preserve the fivefold rule of conduct towards the mains, the gods, his guests, his relations, and himself. Rajamani also tried to encourage Lata's artistic pursuits, seeing it as a way for her to express herself and find happiness. He bought her art supplies and offered to help her set up a small studio in the house. Your mother may not understand, but I believe in you, Lata, he said, his voice filled with encouragement. Your art is a gift and you should nurture it. Lata was overjoyed by her father's support and began to spend hours creating artwork. Her passion for art brought a new sense of purpose and joy to her life. One afternoon, Vijaya discovered Rajamani's continued correspondence with Captain Caspian and the crew of the submarine. She found a stack of letters hidden in his study, detailing his adventures on the island and his continued connection to his former life. Vijaya confronted Rajamani, her voice trembling with anger and betrayal. She accused him of still longing for the island and questioned his commitment to the family. You are still in love with that island, aren't you? She screamed, her eyes filled with tears. You will never truly be happy here with us.